What's good, YouTube? It's your boy ZT Zoomin, and I'm back with another booming video. So today is a totally different style video. I want to explain to you guys what the HP Tuners RTD unit is. This may not apply to my normal viewers, but my guess, if you're clicking on this video, you've got HP Tuners, you got the HP Tuners RTD unit just like I did, and you couldn't find a video on it. So quickly, I want to go over what the RTD unit is versus the MPVI2. Now, this is the normal HP Tuners, the second version that they came out with that most people have. The RTD unit, this I found out will generally be sent to you through a company that, for example, for me, so because I purchased a Pro charger, they sent me out the RTD unit that has my tune uploaded onto it. So immediately my thought was, can I sell mine and get my money back out of this? Because these sell on the resale market almost exactly what you paid for it. RTD stands for Remote Tuning Device. Now this allows a company, for example Pro Charger, to upload the tune onto here, and then once the tune is on here, you can upload it onto your vehicle. Now you can do the same exact thing with the MPVI2. If you guys are using HP Tuners, you know there is VCM Editor and VCM Scanner. The RTD unit only has access to the VCM Scanner. You cannot access the editor. What the editor allows you to do is it allows you to adjust the tune. If you bought credits for your transmission, you can go in there and adjust the settings for your transmission. It allows access to all the files pretty much on your car so that you can adjust anything that you want to. The RTD unit will not allow you to do that. And if I'm not mistaken, I don't even think the RTD unit is really available for regular consumer sale. I think it's mostly for manufacturers to send off with their product. The RTD unit will not replace the normal MPVI2. I'm not going to get into too many details on this, and from what I can tell, if you have credits purchased on the RTD unit, they don't transfer to the MPVI2 and vice versa. You cannot transfer credits back and forth from what I'm able to tell. So boom, there it is. That's the difference between the two. I'm not going to waste your guys' time getting all into the nitty-gritty details. If you clicked on this video, you already have an idea about HP Tuners. Feel free to drop some questions down below. I love helping you guys out. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I do car installs, I do everything myself, and I just bought a motherfucking Pro charger, man. So you guys consider subscribing, consider clicking the like button down below. But this your boy ZT Zoomin. I'm keeping it moving, baby, and I'm out. Peace. My RTD unit happened to come with 4 credits on it. Basically, the exact same things come in the inside as the regular one. Got your little thumb drive, cable, lanyard, and a quick start guide. And that right there, that's my Camaro for all you newcomers to the channel.